snake, aim, whoa. Pick his brain, bits of pain, this explain his disdain, whoa. I don't want to speak, but I won't display. Nah. Rather be discreet when I go my way. Nah. I don't have to brag about the that's a cloud. The other rap dudes try to sip, I pray. I was in the belly when y'all was banging the belly, and everybody was settled when he beef with the K. I was trying to follow my older brother and spotted the over under and open the door in my face. I was in the face of adversity, reverse the plea. Put it in the verse while immersed in weeds. I was trapped in the center to adapt as a center and cinnamon, a message to decree. Rap was my therapist, to pair with this apparent shift in arrogance. Every loss was an error miss, but I still brought it back to apparent bliss. But I still gotta squint at the glaring glitz. Every now and then I tend to share my slips to my unborn child. I will never stop blacking out till I finally make your parents rich. Hopped over the hurdle when other dudes were curdle. I'm starting to feel like the wheel in a gerbil. Niggas want me to bleed, but I leave when I sense envy. I'm feeling the need to be verbal. I set a goal and I know it will pass. I set the tone every day for my craft. I got the whip and I pay for a gas just so I remember the days they would laugh. New song is out right now. It's called Lockbuster. Let me know if you guys are feeling the beanie. Y'all feeling the beanie? Let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you're feeling the new Lockbuster beanies. What's up with everybody, man? What's going on up in here in Facebook, man? New song is out right now. It's called Lockbuster. Lockbuster shirts. Available right now. Limited amount. What's up with Facebook, man? How y'all feeling, man? How was everybody's day? Facebook is, it's weird how Facebook doesn't text, doesn't type as many. It's not as interactive on here. Yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here, let y'all know we got a new song out. We got a new beanies, Lockbuster. Okay. People don't be talking on Facebook. Or maybe I'm just not seeing the messages. Are y'all typing messages? I see a lot of people in here, but I don't see no messages. Okay, there we go. She said clever. I can't pronounce your name. Clever design. Lock is the best. Thank you so much. Richie Burns says, love you, bro. Your consciousness is out of this world. Thank you, man. I think you can share your video. Yes, we are. Okay, I'm just making sure. I think Facebook is very delayed. There's a lot of comments, bro. I'm just now seeing the comments. Kiaja, I can't. Hacky Raps says, what up, fool? What up, fool? Are you working on any albums or any more songs? Oh yeah, we got a lot more albums. Vaccine song is fire. Thank you, man. Are you Egyptian? No, I am black and Persian. Hi, Lock, how's your day? Music never disappoints. Thank you so much, Crystal. Lewis Kirkland says dope. So, yo, make sure you guys go to iamlock.com. If you guys like this beanie, let me know if you guys like the beanie. Let me know if you're feeling the beanie. Please collaborate with Token. I need to reach out to Token, man. I love Token. Assalamu alaikum. I keep pushing. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. How do we purchase merch, Unc? You purchase merch, just go to iamlock.com. That's my website. iamlock.com. Is that Talia? Is that my niece, Talia? from the Caribbean. Appreciate the love. Tyler Ecker, what up? Political science major, African American studies. Ernest, what's up, cousin? Yo, so make sure you guys go to IamLock.com, man. We got the beanies right now, the Lockbuster beanies, the Lockbuster shirts. We got them in black and in blue. The new song is out right now.
It's like a motion picture. My life is a movie, tell them roll a picture. Y'all rappers is pussy, I don't know them niggas. Shout out to my bros, I'm still rolling with you. Everything I do is like a motion picture. My life is a movie, tell them roll a picture. Y'all rappers is pussy, I don't know them niggas.
Oh, that is Talia. Tallulah.
On the mat with the pose and all of the past lows when you rap, I suppose, and all of the action when you rap to compose. What you willing to give to get back what you owe? What you willing to pay when you trapped in the mode and maintaining the front to confront what you told? Mainlining the line in the front uncontrolled. Now they look at me to console. I don't give a fuck about none of you nagging niggas. You negative. You would rather be rapping average and never competitive. You would rather habit habits and never repetitive than establish a standard that we can actually relish in. That's how I feel when I glance at the field. Y'all follow trends, I'm advancing my skill. I take a part of what's polished and leave it demolished so I can come back and rebuild. Built with the thought process of a young artist, but a one artist. When it's war, I'm present. When I hop in the crowd and I score y'all reps, I was raised in the rich in a small projects. I don't make light of my faults. I see the threat and the light I will cross. I will take all of my fears, demand they appear, and put them in songs.
Drop some conspiracy raps. Those are always go hard. I don't do conspiracy raps. South Texas. There you go. Bilal Mustafa. He put up the website, IamLock.com. If you guys are feeling the beanie, let me know if you guys are feeling the beanie. Jonathan Brooks says, salute, big brother. Thanks for the art, man. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. Mad love from Newark, New Jersey. Newark. Yo. Newark is one hell of a place, boy. I seen a grown man take a shit in the middle of the street in Newark. I was like, what the fuck? New Zealand. Shout out to New Zealand. Yes, I have plenty of new songs. Angels and Demons are absolutely incredible. Great hook, all three verses. Appreciate the love. Would I ever consider battling again? Not right now. Handshake. What? Handshake? What are you talking about? Oh, you guys, damn, this is why is Facebook so delayed? Can you get a handshake? Nah, man, it's COVID. Yo, so we got the Locksmith, the Lockbuster beanies right now available. Go to IamLock.com. Make sure you get your Lockbuster beanies. We only got a limited amount. We also got Lockbuster shirts. What do I do to get in that zone to write? I don't know, man. I'm just in the zone. I don't know. I just write whatever I need to write. Why don't you like Facebook stream? What difference does it make? I don't like Facebook stream. I prefer YouTube. Why you social media banned? Drake, why nobody can listen to your songs right now, bro? We're on a live. Somebody says CPV, Rich City. You already know. Yo, so I just wanted to hop on here, say what's up to everybody. The new Locksmith Lockbuster beanies are now on sale. Just go to iamlock.com. If you're fucking with the beanies, if you're fucking with the shirts, bam, Lockbuster. Go to iamlock.com. Order them now. It's a limited amount. I'm out this.